I built an online business over 60 that brought in as much as $3,000 a week. I started with no tech skills and no fancy background. If you've ever wondered if it's too late to begin or if you could create a reliable, flexible income stream online, then stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how I did it and how you can start your own journey no matter your age. Hello, I'm Dr. Shelley Nash, mindset, confidence, and style coach, retired chiropractor, and cat mom of two. I've been where you are, wanting more time and income without overwhelm. I've had a lifetime of chasing dreams, collecting degrees, and building businesses. Some of them gave me success and others left me struggling financially. But I never regretted following my own path. When I reached the point where I needed extra income, not just to survive, but to create a secure retirement, digital marketing just landed in my lap. I didn't understand what digital marketing was. I had never even heard of it. I had no experience with it. But the results I've achieved from digital marketing over the last several years has been life-changing. Now I'm here to help you build digital success and the confidence to make it happen. Starting is simpler than you think. What if you could set up a business this weekend that keeps earning while you sleep? The business I'm talking about is a digital product-based system that's low cost and made for beginners. I followed a step-by-step plan that included a ready-made website, training videos, and digital products that people already want. No inventory, no shipping, no 9 to 5. And the master resale rights of every single program sold so that I earn 100% profit. Isn't that amazing? If you can copy and paste and follow instructions, then you can do this business. Age isn't a barrier, it's an advantage. Are you thinking this makes sense, but you need to see how it all fits together? Then grab my free Freedom Formula blueprint below. It's the exact guide that I followed, and it breaks it down for you step by step. Here's the part that still amazes me. I never had to create products myself. The products were done for me. They're high quality online courses that people are buying every day to gain knowledge and skill to run their own successful online business. The world is going digital. Every single brick and mortar business needs a digital presence. Every coach, every entrepreneur needs to know how to market their program products and services online. Programs that sell courses on how to market in the digital world are in high demand. When you have a high demand product already, you're bound to be very successful because people are already looking for it. Each sale can bring from 100 to 900, and you keep 100% of the profit. That's how I reached 3,000 in 1 week without having to stock or ship any product at all. You don't need to be an expert. You simply connect the right people to the solutions that they already want. Ready to learn more and see how this all fits together? Then grab my free Freedom Formula blueprint below. It's the exact guide I used, and it breaks it down step by step. But how does money come in while I'm sleeping? In one word, automation. The automated system captures leads, sends emails, and processes payments 24/7. Once I set up my sales funnel, I could step away. I've woken up to find 900 waiting for me, ready to be deposited into my account. Sometimes more in a day than I used to earn in a week. Automation means that your business works when you're not, and that is freedom. Want to see how it all connects? I've got you covered. Download the free Freedom Formula Blueprint below. It's the exact step-by-step guide I used to go from zero to earning online. Not tech savvy, neither was I. The training walks you through every click. You don't have to know everything before you start. You just have to start. I learned as I went, applying each lesson and seeing immediate results. Those small wins built my confidence and my bank account. Learning and earning became my motto. I love the fact that I didn't have to know anything. I just kept learning, applying the steps, and earning the income. And you can do it too. If you can watch a video, follow simple steps, you can master this business. Need a clear picture of how these pieces fit together? Then grab my free Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's the same guide I used and it's totally free. Click the link below. You may think age is a disadvantage. I promise you it's the opposite. You bring life experience, perspective, and trust that younger online marketers just can't replicate. People value authenticity. They want to learn from someone who's lived it. And that makes your voice powerful in the digital space. Your wisdom is your superpower. Use it to connect and inspire while building financial freedom. If I can create an online business over 60 that earns $3,000 a week with no tech background, then you can too. Now, I'd love to know what's been holding you back from starting your own online business. Would you start if you could begin today? Comment below. I respond to all comments, and I'd love to know what's been holding you back and if you're willing to get started. Remember, it's not too late to create income and independence. Start small, follow the steps, and let this year be the year that you build the life and the freedom you deserve. Now that you know the easiest online business to start over 60, you might be wanting to learn how I earned $8,350 in just 1 month with the same done for you business. It all starts with watching this next video, because when you pair what you just learned with what's next, it's going to be way more powerful. See you on the next video.